Hi, this is James of Omega Life 21, the hardest hitting internet talk radio station on the planet, and I am here at the Newsletter Censored Research Center in northeastern New Jersey with the Reverend Dr. William J. Eisenman, reading this asshole, idiotic article by Ben Stein from the American Spectator, this right-wing piece of shit magazine. Let me continue. Okay. A bureaucracy lowering costs in a free society. Either the costs go up or the free society goes away. These are perilous times. Mrs. Hillary Clinton, our Secretary of State, has given Iran the go-ahead to have nuclear weapons. The go-ahead? Since when is it the business of the United States to dictate to other countries what they can and cannot do? To go ahead, so other countries in this planet Earth have to get permission from the United States government? An unqualified betrayal of the nation. Well, I guess the right-wingers, Dr. Bill, believe in that the United States is a worldwide dictator, maybe?
Well, listen, what happened with Bush? He didn't tell the Korean dictator not to get nuclear weapons, did he? No, he didn't even talk to them.
No.
So what do they got? They got nuclear weapons.
They got nuclear weapons. Oh, by the way, I read an article before I finished that under Bush, when all corporate CEOs that were invited to the White House paid nothing for the food and alcoholic beverages or anything. But now, Obama is charging. This is great.
For the beer?
He's charging the corporate CEOs for everything they consume at the White House. Isn't that beautiful? Hey,
I wonder who paid for the beers the other day.
I don't know, but they're wealthy. Of course, why shouldn't they pay? Pay for your own retirement. Pay for your own health insurance. Pay for everything you consume. You're a corporate American CEO. You can afford it. Let me finish this ridiculous shit. Okay, these are perilous times. Mrs. Hillary Clinton, our Secretary of State, has given Iran the go-ahead to have nuclear weapons, an unqualified betrayal of the nation. If I was Iran, I'd say, fuck you, man. United States government, you can't tell us what to do. Now we face a devastating loss of freedom at home in health care. It will be joined by controls on our lives to, quote, protect us, unquote, from global warming, itself largely a fraud if believed to be caused by man. Oh, that's what Rush Limbaugh used to say, that global warming is bullshit. Okay. And it's okay for dolphins to get caught in nets because dolphins are really not intelligent. You know, and you know, it's like anything that's good for business is good, according to the right wing.
The Japanese kill a lot of dolphins.
Yeah. But as long as people are making a profit, then the hell with the environment, the hell with the rainforest, the hell with animals, the hell with
getting rich in haste,
the hell with global warming. Yeah. Like the biblical verses. Haste shall not be innocent.
That's right.
Mr. Obama knows Americans are getting wise. Oh, really? And will stop him if he delays at all in taking away our freedoms. So I guess Mr. Ben Stein thinks that mainstream America is pretty much right-wing. Well, then how did Obama beat McCain if America's right-wing? Ben shithead Stein. What an idiot this guy. If you ever hear this guy's voice, you could see there is his urgency and our opportunity. Once freedom is lost, America is lost. Wake up, beloved America. Ben Stein is a writer, actor, economist, and lawyer.
What kind of economist?
And lawyer. Here you go. That's why he's so concerned about the right wing and about profit and greed and everything. A lawyer living in Beverly Hills and Malibu. He writes, quote, Ben Stein's diary, unquote. Yeah, it should be the diary of a greedy, selfish, wealthy man. For every issue of the American Spectator. Okay, all right.
So
that's enough.
He's a columnist there, you know.
Yeah, that's enough.
Each issue.
Ben Stein, I'm sure Ben Stein and all his wealthy elitist friends
He's got a
can
Cadillac
afford.
health care policy.
Does he really?
Yeah. Well taken care of.
So is Ben Stein's family and friends and children, or whoever's affiliated with Ben Stein, and so are the other right-wingers who are in Washington, and so are the corporate American CEOs and all the ass-kissing upper management and all the people that are moderate and conservative that are in this country. I'm sure have the best health care. Okay, whether they get it free or whether they pay for it, and I'm sure they can afford to pay for it. But this is the thing.
A lot of them have it.
He has it.
Yeah, but a lot of them have it with their employers. If they lose their job, they lose their health care. They do not want to talk about that, nor do they want to look at that part of the problem.
But I'm sure they have a lot socked away where if they did lose their job, that they have a high enough income.
Maybe not. Maybe a lot of these people don't think about these issues. And let's face it, people are their job. If they lose their job, they lose their whatever they think they are, their identity.
So
yes.
in other words, these people are so involved in their career. They're married to their career.
But they don't understand how much of a slave they are to this company or corporation that they work for.
Suckers, ass kissers.
Yeah.
And they put in long hours. They work for free. As far as I'm concerned, anybody
especially on entry positions.
Yeah, anybody who's on salary. Any 1 minute over 40 hours is considered working for free. These people sometimes work, 60, 70-hour work weeks, and which is corporate ass kissing, and helping to make the corporation rich, and the big culprit, which is the CEO of the corporation, and whether it be television, a corporate ass kisser that has his own show, or whatever, or people kowtowing to sponsors. Somebody told me, James, you do an uncensored version of the East Coast Professional Wrestling TV taping. Why don't you go do it with Gino Caruso and Godfather Joey G for the regular nationwide show? I says, yeah, but if I did that, I couldn't speak my mind. I couldn't say what I wanted. It's FCC controlled. It's censored. I enjoy my uncensored color commentary for the TV taping. There's something very special about doing Internet Talk Radio or Internet Talk Video, in this case, with the Internet, Google, YouTube. We're not controlled. We don't have to answer to anybody here. We're uncensored. But getting back to the right wing and Ben Stein, they don't like Obama's healthcare reform because they don't want their taxes to go up, because they don't want to pay taxes.
Oh, God forbid they have to pay taxes.
Yeah, okay, we got to take a little break.